So hello friends, welcome back you all in my channel, and in this video we will see how you can add hover effects in your HTML project without writing a single line of code. So here you can see some effects like grow effect plus. So you can see these are the effects. So inside your button or in your HTML project you can add the same thing without writing a single line of code. So you can see the background changing effects. So these effects it will help to make your project, your website design look very advanced. So let's see how you can do this.
Hey, my name is Raj. You are watching Coder, and if you are interested in web development and programming, then please hit that like and subscribe button. And let's start after this small intro.
So first of all I will create a folder and I will give it a name hover effects. So right now this is empty. Open your text editor. So I am using Visual Studio Code and I will open that folder. So for that select, so this is the folder which is in the desktop. So hover effect, I will open it. Now you can see this is the folder hover effect, and inside this we have to create a file, HTML file. So for that you have to click on this plus icon. You can see here new file. So I will write here index.html. So our file is created, and now in VS Code you have to write exclamation mark and press enter. You can see here I will write hover effect, and now what I have to do, I will use a button and I will write here. So I will use a button and I will write a text inside it, and now I will open this in browser. So here you can see the grow button. So right now when I am clicking on it or hovering on it, a simple color is changing. So this is by default effect. So now what we have to do, we have to add the effect. So for that we have to open our Chrome and we will search hover.css and press enter. You can see this is the link github.io. So I will provide the link in the description box, so you can directly click on it and download the file. So here I will click on this. Here you can see all the effects. So this is the all effects, and here you can see when I am swiping then the color is blue. So you can change this color and all things according to your project. So first we have to download this file. So I will click on download on GitHub, click on it, and you can see the GitHub page is opened. So here this is the file. So first what we have to do, click on this code option here, this green one, code, and here you are seeing the option download zip. So click on that, and this is a very small file, it will not take much time, and you can see it is downloaded now, hover.zip. And now I will double click on the zip file and it will be extracted, and I will delete the zip file. So this is the hover master file. So we have to move this file inside this hover effect, inside your main folder where you are working. So let's see what is inside this hover master file. So open it, and you can see there is multiple folders and files present and some images also. So we don't have to use all these things, it is not for our use. So here is a CSS file. So inside this folder there is also 4 files like hover.css map, hover main.css, and all this. The main file in which all the CSS is written for the hover effects is the hover.css. So we have to link this file hover.css inside the HTML file. So the first step is to now move this folder. So the first step is to move this folder inside the main folder in which we are working. So let's open it. So this is, and here I will copy this, and now I will open my VS Code, and inside here you can see now the hover master folder is showing here. Click on it and you can see there is all that image and files are available. So we have to click on CSS option. So I will click on it, and you can see the same four files are visible here. So we have to open the hover.css so that we can see what is the name, what is the class's name are defined here. So here you can see .hbr means this is this hover, written hover. So hbr hyphen grow. So when I will write this, then some effect will be happened. So let's see. So first of all we have to link this file. So I will link that file inside our index file. So you can see the hover master. So click on it, and inside this hover master we have a CSS folder, and inside CSS there is hover.css. So save it. Now it is linked, and now so here this is the button which we are using, and I have written grow, means when I will hover it, then it will be its size will be increased. So what we have to do now, so this is the hbr-grow class. So this is already defined. So what we have to do, just copy this class name, and inside this button I will write class, and I will paste that class name hbr-grow. So now when I will hover on it, so you can see it is zooming in. Now I am writing another button, and let's see the next one. So from the website of hover.css, here you can also see the name of the effects like plus, grow, rotate. So if I want to use this buzz one, means this buzz effect, so what I have to do, I have to press Command F, then a search option will be available, and I will write buzz. So you can see here hvr buzz. So this is the class name, and now I have to paste it. So I will write here first of all buzz, the text, and inside this class name I will write hover buzz. So you can see the effect is working. Suppose we have to use this swipe or this this back plus. So for that we have to again search back. So here you can see back plus. So this is the HBR back plus. So the next I will use another button, and there the effect is like back plus, and I will write a class and then hover back plus. And now you can see when I am hovering it, and this black border which is coming here is the by default effect of the button. Right now you have to write some extra line of CSS to remove it. So inside the head tag I will write style attribute, and inside that I will write button hover and border none. I will write again button and border none. This three effects you can see how you can add very easily. You don't have to write a single line of code, only you have to download a file and add a link hover.css in your project, and you can start your adding your effect. So here is swipe to right. So let's see this effect also. I will write another button. I will write a text, and inside the class I will write the class name, and you can see, so this is the back plus, this is the right. And so now you understand how you can add this beautiful hover effects very easily without writing a single line. So if I want to change this, if I want to make this blue color, I want a red color or orange color instead of this blue color, then what I have to do, so you have to search again the back plus. So here I will search back plus, and inside this back plus you can see you are seeing the color here, background color. Here what I will do, I will remove this and I will write red, and again inside this second option also I will remove this and write red. So first we will change here the background color red, and now scroll up. So here you can see hover back plus again. So inside this you will see here the background color. So here you can see the background color at last. So here I will again change this to red, and now when I will hover it, so you can see the color is changed. And even you can change the color of this text. So if right now it is white when I am hovering it. So if you want to change this text color also, so here you can see the color is written. So I will write here black, and when I will save it, then it will black now. So in this way you can modify the color also of any effect which you want to use. So if you enjoyed this video, then please hit that like and subscribe button, and see you in next video with another interesting topic of HTML and CSS.